Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to pay for Gumroad with PayPal. To pay for a Gumroad product using PayPal, start by visiting the product page you want to purchase and click the Buy button. In the checkout window, select PayPal as your payment method. You'll be redirected to PayPal's login screen where you can sign in, review the total amount, and confirm the payment. Once completed, you'll return to Gumroad and see a confirmation screen, while an email will also confirm your order. Keep in mind that some purchases may require additional verification through PayPal, like confirming your billing address or verifying your identity if prompted. For sellers who want to accept PayPal on Gumroad, go to your dashboard, open the Payments tab, and scroll to PayPal Connect. Enter your PayPal email and follow the prompts to authenticate and link your account. If needed, add a backup method like bank account or Stripe, then click Update Settings and finish by selecting Connect with PayPal to enable payments. After linking, test a small transaction to ensure everything works smoothly before promoting your products. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.